Okay, welcome to Hidden Syntax Code. Today, we want to teach you how to use C++ code to convert a text to speech for you. Please, in case you miss any of these code steps, check in the description. There is a link in. Try and download the link in the description. So before you start, you include your IO stream that will enable your input and output function. So you will type #include IO stream. This library will enable you to input your output and input function. So when you finish, you come and input another library on the top of your code called string. So you type hashtag and you type include and you bring your less than symbol. So inside your less than symbol, you type string and you close it with your greater sign. And again, this string library allow you to use the string class for text handling. So because you are coming to write a multiple text line or multiple text, this string will help to manage it or allow us to use so many strings. So when we finish, we come and type another library called the C standard library. So you type your hashtag and you type include and you bring your less than symbol. So inside it, you come and type CSTDLIB and you close it with your greater than symbol. Okay, so when you finish, you come and type using namespace std and you terminate it with your semicolon. This using namespace std will help you to write those keyword called cout, cin. When we finish, we want to create a function that will convert our text to speech for us. So our function, we are going to, the data type of our function is going to be void. And our function name is going to be pronounce word. And we bring your bracket open and close. So inside the open bracket or inside the parentheses, we want to pass a parameter in the bracket. So you type a const keyword and you come and write your string data type with an n sign. After that, come and type word. So those parameters inside the bracket, the const keyword specify the word parameter that is modified inside the function. This const which will help to prevent accidental changes in the original text. So the moment there is an occurrence of any accident in the text, this will prevent it. And again, the string and the n sign. So the string parameter, this indicates that the word is a reference to a string object. So inside the open bracket in the function, you will type a string data type and our variable name for our string, you will rename it to be command. So you bring your equal sign. So when you finish, you want to assign the command variable to our PowerShell command, our R test assembly, and our speech sanitizer. This will convert our text to speech for us. So you bring your double quote, and inside the double quote you type PowerShell command, and you bring your backslash, and again you come and type another double quote, and inside that double quote you type add type dash assembly name system dot speech, and you bring your semicolon and you close your double quote. So when we finish, you come and type another double quote, and inside that double quote you will type your sim, and you assign it to your new object speech system. So before you type your dollar sign symbol, and you type send is equal to new dash object system speech dot speech. So this R type assembly name and the speech dot system, this load the required .NET speech library, and the send is equal to your object system dot speech. It create the speech synthesizer. So when you finish, you will come and type another double quote, and inside the double quote you will type your synthesis dot speech synthesizer. So you type synthesis dot speech synthesizer, and you bring your semicolon, and after that you come and type another double quote. So inside the double quote you type your double sign and your dollar sign, and you type your send dot speech, and you bring your bracket open, and your bracket open you bring your comma, you bring your apostrophe, and after that you come and type your double quote, and inside your double quote you type your last symbol, and you come and type word. So the word here we are referring to the word inside the parameter, and you bring another last symbol, and you close your double quote, and you bring your apostrophe, and again you close your brackets. After that, you bring your backslash and you bring your double quote, two double quote, and you terminate it with your semicolon. So when we finish, we come and type system and you bring your bracket open and close. So inside your bracket open and close, you will type your command variable dot c underscore str and you bring your bracket open. So when you finish, you come and terminate your bracket with your semicolon. So after that, we want to go to our main execution function. That will start the main execution when you run the code. So you will type int main, you bring your bracket open and closed. So after that, you bring your curly bracket. So inside the curly bracket, you want to display a command line text that will be a user friendly and it will allow them to see a test. When you run the code, you declare a variable with a data type of string. So you type string and our variable name is going to be word and we terminate it with our semicolon. So we want it to be a user friendly. So the moment you run the code, we want the user to see a command line text that can alert the user. So you type cout and we want this word to display to the user when the code is run. So you type word and press enter to hear it pronounced. Type exit to quit. You close your double quote and we end it with your end keyword. Okay, so when you finish, we want to do a loop execution here that the moment you enter the word that had been pronounced, the loop can also show another text line that you can type another word to pronounce. Okay, so you will type wow and you bring your open bracket and close. So inside it, you will type true and you bring your curly bracket. So we want to display a word like enter a word so that when we execute the code and you enter the word, this loop can also give you another prompt to enter a word again. So we will display this to the user. So you type cout enter a word and you terminate it with your semicolon. And after that, you come and type get line and you bring your bracket open and close. So inside your bracket open, you type cin and you bring your comma, and you come and type your word variable inside the bracket. So this get line bracket C in comma word, it will help you to write a multiple string of words for the code to pronounce. Okay, so when you finish, we want to perform an operation that will exit the main execution loop and it will terminate the main window. So the moment the user type exit, it will exit the execution and the main loop window. So you type if bracket open word is equal to exit, then you want to display a message goodbye so that it will terminate the main window. So you bring your bracket open and close. So inside your bracket open and close, you type cout and you bring your double quote and you type goodbye and you will close your double quote and you terminate it with your semicolon. Okay, so when we finish, we will call our function body. So our function name was pronounce word and you bring your bracket open. So inside your bracket open, you pass a parameter called word, and that was our string variable name, and we will terminate it. So when you finish, come and type return 0 and you terminate it with your semicolon and you close it with your curly bracket. So you build it and see if there is an error in this code. And here we go, there is not an error in this code. So run this code and see. Okay, so when you run it, you are going to see that type a word and press enter to pronounce, type exit to quit. Okay, so the moment I type a word, the code will convert it to a text to speech for me to be pronounced. So I will type hello. My YouTube channel name is Hidden Syntax Code. Please kindly subscribe for me and you press enter.
Hello, my YouTube channel name is Hidden Syntax Code. Please kindly subscribe for me.